Okay, Jetta reporting in for a Monday afternoon. Doing a spot check of Footscray West, West Footscray Skate Park. West Footscray Skate Park. Here's the hip up here, the bank with the grind ledge, a grind box. The hip. Pan around. Grab a flat rail here. A down ledge. And a kicker there. Got a grind rail here, a flat rail. Got a down grind rail, a grind rail going down. Grind rail going down. Got a round hip quarter pipe over here with coping. A round hip quarter pipe here with coping. Got a curb ledge there to grind and do rail slides and stuff on. Back over here. Got a seat there. Some palm trees in the background. Got an abseiling wall here for little kids and abseiling. Rock climbing, wall climbing. Got the playground over here. Back to the hip again. Walk up the hip. And you got this curb here that runs right down the length of the, runs down the length of the curb, that runs down the length of the hip. To grind and rail. And that's the spot check of the small West Footscray West Skate Park. All cool. All cool.